Minister of Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, Comrade Zambia has ruled out the possibility of a secret ballot during the parliamentary vote on Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, confirming that members of Parliament will openly declare their positions in line with parliamentary procedures. No secret ballot for Cape 3 parliamentary vote. It was subscribed or like on the bell icon. Speaking recently, Comrade Zambia dismissed claims that MPs would vote on the bill, explaining that Zimbabwe operates under a party parliamentary system with the constitutional provisions guiding voting processes and party discipline. He further warned that MPs who defy their party position risk facing recall procedures as provided for under the Constitution. The Justice Minister emphasized that the voting process will involve division within the House, where those supporting the bill and those opposing it will openly take their respective sides during the vote. Political analysts say the even voting process reflects standard parliamentary practice and promotes transparency and accountability within the legislative system. They also note that there is nothing unusual about the procedure as previous constitutional amendment processes, including Constitutional Amendment Bill number 1 and Constitutional Amendment Bill number 2, were also passed through open parliamentary voting without any secret ballot. A parliament prepares to debate Cape 3. It is becoming increasingly clear that the bill has gathered unstoppable momentum despite opposition, misinformation, and political resistance. The national conversation now goes beyond constitutional amendment alone. It reflects Zimbabwe's broader focus on governance stability, institutional continuity, and long-term national development. Toma developments aripo panao ze Cape 3. Bila comment section medu zafungura enyu kudipa mzambe chitko each. Awa bila comment section medu mzonzo subscribe or like, wanjiri on the bell icon.